Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
I did film an install video on me putting the new Paul Yaffes on the bike. There's so many install videos out there already for bars for my model year bike. 2009 Harley-Davidson Electric Glide Standard Police Edition. But I did want to give you guys my opinion on how the handlebars changed the bike. Not only the handling and the performance, but the comfort as well. Super stoked, super excited that I did this. I cannot believe I waited this long.
This long.
If you guys have a bike and you haven't put bars on it yet, do yourself a favor and do just that. Before any other upgrade you do, whether it's engine, suspension, a seat, put bars on the bike and you will thank me later. Today we're going to Cycle Factory. We have not been there in quite a while. I think it's been close to like 2.5 months. I heard from Ed, Christian, and Sean. They've got about 40 bikes there right now that they're working on, so they're kind of gearing up for the season. Here in Texas, it's pretty much year round, but once spring hits, that's like your optimal time to be riding a motorcycle. When summer's in full swing, it is extremely hot, kind of unbearable when it's
110 degrees outside.
Let's go to Cycle Factory. Let's go say hi to those guys. We haven't seen them in a while, so
let's go.
All right, guys, we have made it to the Cycle Factory. We have not been here in like 2.5 months. I am excited. We're gonna hang out with these guys all damn day, and they are chocked full of bikes. They got so many bikes here, it's unbelievable. I don't think I've ever seen this place so stacked. What's up, buddy? How's it going, man? It's been a minute.
Yeah, I'm glad you're here.
Me too. What's up, buddy? You're the star of the damn channel, man. I can't not film you.
Oh, Lordy.
Ah,
How you been, man?
I'm good, man. Look, we're back. We're back at Cycle Factory.
This stiffs.
Just hanging out. Woo. Well, you got a 110 though, so I mean, what do you got going on over here, Sean?
Oh, man. Broken bikes.
Ah, broken bikes means good business though, right?
Gotta fix them.
If your bike is broken, you got to come to Cycle Factory right off of Highway 80 in Forney, Texas. I mean, they're fixing all these bikes. Fixing stuff. Just the wonderful round world of fixing. What's up, man? Good. I haven't seen you in a while.
Check it out. Hayabusa with wire wheels, man.
What? Harley wheels on a Hayabusa.
Check it out.
Oh, wow. That is actually sick. Holy. Damn. Look at that.
Other wheels are out getting powder coated, but we put those on there just for roller. Damn, I'm kind of digging it, man. I wonder if I could talk the guy to doing wire wheels.
It's y'all at once, huh?
Nice weather, man. Sun came out, everybody wants to ride. White breakout over in the corner. We had a breakout here the other day that was all chrome.
You guys have a breakout?
Then we got a breakout right over there.
Oh, man. You guys,
Breakout.
I think it's a Twinkie, too.
It is.
Look at this. Damn. Everybody's got their choice what engine they like the best in their Harley-Davidson. My generation is the twin cam. Started out with the 88, went to the 96, then it went to the 103, which is what I have. And what you're hearing in the background is a 110, Screaming Eagle. And then you got this 110 right here. Man, that is a pretty bike. Woo! Definitely feels good to be back here. Haven't been here in a while.
excited to be here.
Ever seen a Honda Shadow like this?
Easy, easy.
Perfect. It was flawless.
All right, you guys, today over at the Cycle Factory, we had a ton of fun. Unfortunately, one of the not so good things that's happening, Sean, his last day is Friday next week. He's going to be taking off on his motorcycle and cruising around the country. A lot of things that he wants to do, and that's one of them. And life is just a little bit too short for us to not be doing the things that we want. So we got the new bars on the bike. Everything is a-okay with the bars. It's a completely different motorcycle. Something that I wish I would have done a lot sooner to give you a little bit of contrast versus stock. So this is what we were working with straight from the factory with the Harley Davidson. Your arm position, it's just bad. Does that look like fun? Your elbows are out. Everything is just, you're like a Tyrannosaurus Rex on a motorcycle. It's not a good time. The bars, they've been on the bike for about a week and a half now. I just got back from the Cycle Factory. That's about an hour and a half ride from where I'm at. We used to live right around the corner from those guys, right off of Highway 80, Forney, Texas. If you've never been to the Cycle Factory and you are in the area,
Stop by.
and the gang will get you taken care of. They sell motorcycles, they work on motorcycles, any type of motorcycle, a Harley, a Kawasaki, a Honda, a Suzuki, an Indian, you can get your bike taken care of at the Cycle Factory. What's my opinion on the bars? The bars are great. Like I said, it's a brand new bike. It's much more comfortable, especially for long distance rides. To think that I rode from Michigan to Sturgis, South Dakota with those stock handlebars blows my mind. Just because of the handlebars, my presence on the bike feels much lower and much more drawn back. You can really get an idea. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's just a much more comfortable ride. This versus riding like this.
It's a huge difference.
If you've got a new Harley, the very first thing you do to the motorcycle, get a set of bars. Then I would say suspension, and start working on your engine. That's it. That's my opinion. I mean, I just wanted a nice classic look with the bars. They look right on the bike. You can see from the video. I paid just under $200 for these handlebars. Again, these are 10s is what baggernation labels them. They're 12-inch bars. In getting 10-inch Paul Yaffe baggernation bars, you're actually getting 12s. I will leave a link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun filming it. Please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Leave a comment, good, bad, or ugly. It helps the channel no matter what. Share the video. We are all about the ride. We are all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.